Add 3 eggs, a cube of butter, 1 tablespoon of milk, and a little black pepper. Then whisk. Gently pour the mixture into the skillet and stir to prevent it from sticking. Place 2 slices of pre-toasted bread on your plate. Place the egg mixture on top of the toasted bread. Sprinkle with fresh green onions and your quick breakfast is ready. Enjoy! Now we're making a toast that's both practical and incredibly delicious. Place the ripe avocado in a bowl and lightly mash it with lemon juice, salt, and black pepper. Spread the mixture evenly over the toasted bread. Arrange the thin slices on top. As a final touch, we add sesame seeds, black pepper, and olive oil. Enjoy! Now, we'll spoon the yogurt into our bowl to create a base. We'll arrange the strawberries, blueberries, and banana slices on top. Next, we'll add the granola to enhance the flavor and texture. As a finishing touch, we'll top it off with honey, chia seeds, and a few fresh mint leaves. A delicious breakfast that combines crunch and sweetness. Enjoy! Next up are banana pancakes. Mash a ripe banana, then add eggs, flour, milk and syrup to make a smooth batter. Cook the pancakes slowly over low heat. We stack the hot pancakes on top of each other. We drizzle plenty of honey over them and add the finishing touch. With their soft texture and natural sweetness, they're a wonderful way to start the day. Enjoy! Our latest recipe is for soft Belgian waffles. We combine flour, eggs, and milk to make a smooth batter. We cook the batter in the waffle maker until golden brown. We transfer the crispy waffles to a plate and top them with strawberries, blueberries, and powdered sugar. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments which of these 5 recipes you'll try first. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on new and easy breakfast recipes. See you in the next video.